BeatStars.com.
Can't fight these demons I try. Can't trust these thoughts in my mind. So reckless, so reckless. Can't fight these demons I try. Can't trust these thoughts in my mind. So reckless, so reckless.
There goes another thought while I hold on to the I gotta buy it to be bought, it's only what I thought. I'm feeling already caught with the hooks in my mouth. On another shelf I take it down, just had to be felt. Another score on the board, might die tomorrow and be so assured. Wash up on the shore just to make it back on the floor. What's life in the aftermath and feeling like I might outlast? What's in the back of the Cadillac? It's only my passion, heart attack. Gotta see things through, at least we never see the smack. Gotta be whacked someday when you be hitting all of that. Where's these noises coming from? I'm feeling a bit off track.
Can't fight these demons I try. Can't trust these thoughts in my mind. So reckless, so reckless. Can't fight these demons I try. Can't trust these thoughts in my mind. So reckless, so reckless.
Busting out the bottle, smash it on your head, now it's hollow. Been climbing mountains when the ground seems to follow. Never the one till tomorrow, the path is rather narrow. Meet me on the set, we're ready to go, no borrow. Time will tell if you could only swallow. I'm never going to give in, we get it out like the vent. Gotta pen my intentions every time I let it slip. Never knowing my inventions will leave you on the strip. Making money for my bitches and she's gonna make it drip. I'm loving these riches.